Hi, I'm surrounded by a lot of gear, and that's foreshadowing for what's about to happen. It's a gear giveaway. Did it work? Is it going? Yay! I hope it's going. Add sound design if it's not. If you've been following me for over a year, you probably saw last summer I did a gear giveaway like this because I opened up my course, The Classroom, for enrollment. And the past 2 years, I only opened it up for enrollment for 1 week. This time, I'm opening it up for enrollment, and it's staying open forever. But this whole week, there's going to be a huge discount on enrollment. If you're interested in the bundle, photo and video, $600 off. If you're interested in just photo or just video, $400 off. You might be wondering, Eric, what is The Classroom? I'm glad you asked. It is my wedding photography and filmmaking course. It's everything I've learned in the past 12 years of shooting weddings, showing up for clients, and building my business to, well over 6 figures. I know it's a buzz phrase for ads you see on YouTube for courses like this, but let me tell you why it's a little bit different. I cover all those logistical things: how to structure your business, how to pay taxes, how to keep track of your finances and do client communication, all that good stuff. But I talk about my philosophy and the heart behind my work, how to treat your clients well. Because if that's not done, you don't get organic reach. You don't get the referrals from their family and friends. And that's what my business has been built on. And I want to teach that to you. And really scale your business to something sustainable so you don't feel like you're burnt out after 3 years of doing it. Let me tell you all the things I'm giving away because there's a lot of them and it's really exciting. First up, my 606 presets. You get Ravenswood, Belmont, and Montrose in there. 2 color options and 1 black and white. And a bunch of other tools that are really useful. And then my 606 LUT collection. So that's the video side. Same names, but then 2 more. Ravenswood, Belmont, Avondale, North Park, and Montrose. My favorite's Avondale. It's vibes. We should put Avondale on here right now. This nifty Fuji Instax wide camera, my go-to for delivering instant photos on wedding days and making couples cry. It's really great. I'm going to do 2 film packs with it as well. I like this gift. Prize. It's a prize. I like this prize. 2 Sony IC-DUX 660 black mics. I got the name right. We call these guys IC Duxes. They're incredible for any kind of audio. You can clip them onto shirts. Like that. It's a lot better on not white shirts. Like black lapels. Or you can even put them on microphones like this. I normally have a little sleeve that goes with that as well. But they're incredibly versatile, awesome for filmmaking, and even content creation. For your marketing, for your business. Film. For my film photographers. 2 rolls of Portra 400, 2 rolls of Portra 800, and 1 roll of that Vibey Cinestill 800T. That's like $7,500 right there. A JBL Clip Bluetooth speaker. I use this, I clip it right onto my side bag or my holster during portrait sessions, during the portrait section of a wedding day, video or photo. You get my romantic portrait hymns playlist going and you get couples crying. It's pretty great. So there's another prize. I like this one. Also, I like all of them. What am I talking about? The Clever Supply Anchor Harness. This is a dual camera strap where you could be hands-free doing other things while your cameras dangle at the side. It's incredible. It's leather. It's awesome. Also, it's Peak Design integration. So they have Peak Design quick releases on the bottom, which are incredible. So you can put the anchor into your camera and Peak Design right here. So they pop out really easily. Watch. Ta-da! A 4-hour mentor session with me, either in person or virtual, your choice, anything you want to talk about with your business. And the last one, a Canon R6. This exact one, actually. I did purchase this for last year's giveaway, an R6, but the winner was from Sri Lanka, and it was just easier to transfer him the money. So I ended up using this camera for a year, and it's incredible. I recently was gifted an R5C by Canon, so that has upgraded my R6, but I'm going to be giving this one away. So that is the final prize. Very excited to be handing this off to somebody else. There are going to be 10 winners, and you might be wondering, how do you become one of those 10 winners? Let me tell you, like this video, comment, and fill out the questionnaire at the first link in the description. Then you'll be entered. Oh, also, this exact video is on my Instagram at eric.floberg. Make sure to share that to your Instagram story as well. All the winners will be announced on the last day the discount runs, the evening of Monday, July 17th, on my YouTube channel, on a live stream. Be there if you want to know. Oh, and if you don't want to enroll in the classroom and you just want to potentially win prizes and get a free module, there's a whole free module of the classroom available. Module 7 on client relationships, how to manage clients. Completely free, over 2 hours long. It's in the second link in the description. Go check it out if you want that. Completely free. All right, bye. Love you. Thank you. Hope you win. Okay, see ya. Need to do more core. I seriously can't get out of this.